O tai girdėjai?
Gerai, klausyk, dabar padarome vieną normalią išdurkę. Tai be sveikinimo.
Gerai.
Yra bičas, kuriam turėtų dabar, jau kaip tik skambinti iš UK.
Alright.
Ir jis su kolega turėtų... Kas?
Iš kokio numerio skambinu?
Iš nežinomo.
O gal iš žinomo? Geresnis garsas gaus.
Nu, bet tai jisai matysgi, kad...
Nu, okei. Kaip sakoma.
Jis matys. Reikia, kad viskas būtų autentiška.
Gerai. Tai
žodžiu, rytoj bus šio vyro gimtadienis, 30.
Skambinu.
Na, žodžiu, jisai dabar laukia skambučio.
Supras.
Awesome.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, is this Oleg?
Yeah, that's correct.
Right, so, I'm calling you from Hurley and Hursley, and I would like to say, would you be willing to, because, well, you should come to the UK in a couple of days, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Right, so I'd like to discuss with you. We were going to inform you about the your friend. The name is Jitis. Jeets.
Yeah, GTS, that's correct.
Right, so I would like you to come over. Well, let's say on Tuesday.
To come on Tuesday next week.
Right.
Next week is November 1st.
Right.
I'm not working on Tuesday.
Right, you're working on Tuesday.
We are not.
You're not?
No.
Right, well, I would like you to come just, to accommodate you. Because you did mention that you would like to have, get like a flat, right? Not a hotel, but like a flat, right?
We are going to have... who's calling me, actually?
This is Peter.
Who is this?
Peter Ripley.
And who are you, actually?
Wow. You are... Well, I am from the PR department.
And what is this?
Well, you are looking for going to the Hursley, right?
Can you please call me tomorrow to my office number, to my client number? Or maybe I can call you back if you send me a note with your...
Right, but, well, it's just that we have to talk about the, you were requesting a flat.
All right, but not officially yet.
Right, but we are going to give you a hotel, and I just wanted you to come on Tuesday, so we would go to, have a couple of, visit some flats that you might be interested in.
But we are not going to come next week, because we are not...
You know what?
Yep.
Well, why the hell not?
Because we are not working next Tuesday, next week.
But we are going to find you a flat. If not, we don't know what kind of flat you want. So we have a huge problem here, because you are going to live in a hotel then.
Oh, that's fine. It's not a problem, man.
Well, it's a problem for us.
For you?
Yeah, you're going to be fucking expensive for us.
What are you? Why are you sweating at me?
I am sweating at you. I'm not sweating at you. I'm swearing at you because you're going to be a fucking expensive for my company.
What's your company name, sir?
That's not your fucking business.
Oh, wow.
My company, you want to hear my company name?
Yes, please.
It's,
Zip FM.
Tokia iš Vilniaus, radio stotis.
Sveikas gyvas, radistai.
Labas vakaras, kaip tik klausiausi prieš 15 minučių jūsų.
Ir išsijungiai.
Įsijungiai.
Jo, kaip tik parduotuvė buvau nuėjęs.
Ir mes tau paskambinom.
Olegai, tai išvarai viskas, emigruoji į UK?
Ne, neimigruoju, tik projektų, čia tik komandiruotė.
Supratau, komandiruotė. Nu, aišku, klausyk, Olegai, tai didžiuliai linkėjimai tau, turbūt žinai nuo ko.
Tai jau spėjau.
Čia yra 5 dovana nuo tavo merginos.
Wow.
Ačiū labai.
Tobulą mergaitę turėjo. Sėkmės, iki.
Ačiū visiems.
Ekiukas, sėkmės emigracijai.